Crochet butterfly locks are the hottest trend right now, and who can blame people? They're fast to install, durable, long-lasting, lightweight, and not to mention super freaking cute. But sometimes you can't always find the color you want. So today I'm going to show you how to install these perimeter crochet style and customize them with some highlights. So if you want to see how we achieve this customized look today in only 2 hours, grab your notes and let's get started. Today's video is brought to you today by our friends over at Bileaf Hair on Amazon. They were kind enough to send over their new style crochet butterfly locks to try out today. These 14-inch locks are 100% handmade and safe for sensitive skin. Each order comes with a total of 72 locks, which is way more than enough for one head. As a matter of fact, I think we only used 4.5 to 5 packs of hair today. A link to these locks will be listed below along with all the tools and products I used today. So make sure you check out that description box before you leave. To wrap the individuals, you can use any kinky bulk hair of your choosing. I'll be using this one today and I only needed 1 pack. The wrapping hair you choose will be important because it is key to the customization we'll be doing later. This is the braid pattern we're going with today for the perimeter crochet. I'm essentially doing individuals in the front and crochet in the back. Because the locks are pretty large, you want the individuals to be about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch in diameter to avoid crowding. Of course, this pattern is optional, and if you want to fully crochet these in, I would highly recommend the illusion pattern, which we covered in a couple of videos ago. You can check that out right here. Each lock comes pre-looped, and the best way to install them is to slide the loop up to make it larger for you to pull the lock through. Once you install the lock, then you can slide the hair back up to tighten the loop, and that's it. You will want to space them out in the back, and as you get closer to the top, you'll want to space them a little bit closer. For the individuals in the front, I'm going to crochet the lock at the base of the braid. Then I'm going to crochet the wrapping hair at the base, leaving about 3 inches on one side. I'm going to gather the natural hair, the lock, and the 3-inch side of wrapping hair together. Then using the longer side, I'm going to begin wrapping. I'm using the loops on the lock as a guide for the wrap also. When I reach the end, I'm going to just wrap until I can't wrap anymore. Then palm roll it to lock it in. There's absolutely no glue needed for this step. Once I've installed all the locks, I'm going to go back in with my colored wrapping hair and customize them. This is where you can get creative and add as much as you want or as little as you want. I only needed just a pinch of hair to add a little pop of color. And all I did was wrap it around each lock just like I did the individuals, palm rolled it and kept it moving. Now you may notice that some of the locks, especially in the back, are a little uneven. The perfectionist in me wanted to go back and cut them off. However, with these particular locks, you cannot cut them without them unraveling. So you can snip the tips like I'm showing you here, but if you go to try to cut them down, they will unravel on you. So if you do need to cut them, you can do so and just burn the ends so that they don't unravel. So that concludes the super easy crochet butterfly locks. I completed these in just under 2 hours, and she can wear this style for up to 6 weeks. She can even reuse the locks if she chooses to. As always, if you found this video helpful, thumbs it up and share it with a friend. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more braid school videos like this one every Monday. Thanks so much for watching and your continued support, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!